that are similar to this can easily produce rotation and produce a tornado threat, and that's what we're going to be watching for, is tornado warnings and tornadic storms similar to this showing up across our area. Now, we do have a new tornado watch that has been issued, and it's in place until 7 o'clock tonight. The only 3 counties included in that in our area are Greene, Washington, and Clark. Just those 3. That's it. For now, everyone else is not in the tornado watch, but odds are there will be future watches issued later today and tonight. And this tornado watch is known as a PDS tornado watch. What exactly does that mean? Well, it stands for particularly dangerous situation. It means that any tornadoes that form within this watch box have the potential to be rather large and violent and on the ground for a prolonged period of time. That is why today is especially important to pay extra close attention to the weather. The severe weather risk zone remains at a level 5. You don't see that issued very often. For the I-20 corridor across Alabama and Mississippi, it includes Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Starkville, Jackson, and that is where your long track tornadoes are going to be the most likely today. Now, the risk zone for our inland counties is a 4, which on any normal day is always significant. Usually 4 is about as high as you see. You rarely see the 5. The 5 you can see just north of Thomasville. Then much of our area is in a 3, coastal spots in a 2. But I don't want you to focus on exactly what risk zone you're in or what risk zone you're not in. Just know that everyone has a risk of severe weather today and tonight. Having the FOX10 app on your phone is critical. Have a way to get the warnings. There's lots of other apps you can get to make sure you get these polygon-based warnings. You need to get them. Get your battle plan ready to go and know what you need to do if a tornado warning shows up in your community. Know where your safe place is. Stay away from the mobile homes today and tonight. Now, here's how the FOX10 Futurecast plays this up for the next several hours. Showers and storms begin to pick up by 4 o'clock in the afternoon in more spots. Could these show signs of rotation? Absolutely. And then we'll see the severe threat die off this evening until the next big round comes in later tonight. This is midnight tonight. And this is when the actual cold front approaches, and you got storms that can produce not only heavy rain or gusty winds, but they can also produce hail and more tornadoes, and they're going to move from west to east across our region. And by 2 in the morning, you're going to see those storms along the I-65 corridor. Dauphin Island to about Thomasville is where a lot of those storms are going to be positioned. So most of our area, in addition to the afternoon threat, will have an overnight event. And as we push the clock forward even more, by the time we get to 4 in the morning, the storms are east of Monroeville, east of Atmore, east of Pensacola. So by the time a lot of you have to get ready to head to work and get the kids ready to go to school on Thursday, the weather will already be improving and the sky will already be clearing. But we have 2 rounds of severe weather, one that's coming in this afternoon from pop-up scattered severe storms, and then the one that's coming in tonight along the actual cold front. You will notice, though, that we go much drier by the end of the week and much cooler. The highs go back to the low 60s, morning temps back down to the mid to low 40s. We will have another severe weather update coming up at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Make sure you stay safe and stay weather aware, and we will bring you nonstop severe weather coverage throughout the day and night tonight.